3, 2, 1.
What is the smallest basic particle of matter? The answer is D, atom. What is the literal translation of the word pranahara, used commonly by some people to refer to the traditional Indian sweets called sandesh? The answer is A, heart stealer. Who is pregnant at the end of season 5 of the TV show Scrubs? The answer is A, Carla, Jordan, and Kim. In all countries, over how many steps can it take to build on government land? The answer is C, 200. When did the Plymouth Borough Police begin operation? The answer is D, 1836. Alkenes can react with what to form alcohols? The answer is A, water. Why have so many people gathered in rough conditions? The answer is A, they are there to see a returning legend. The Drummond family, featured on Diff'rent Strokes, lived on what street in New York City? The answer is C, Park Avenue. How many countries in South America have land which lies south of the equator? The answer is A, 8. Who chairs the North Atlantic Council, the most senior political governing body of NATO? The answer is B, the Secretary General. What do you know to be true of the speaker? The answer is D, they are interested in theatrical arts. A woman jumps into a pool. A woman, what happens next? The answer is C, is holding a large camera laughing. How many strings does the P-Politan mandolin have? The answer is C, 8. Who is inspired by an apple falling? The answer is B, Isaac Newton. Whiteboard, how would you do this? The answer is A, falls from ship. When was George Odger elected? The answer is D, 1870. What best describe the relationship? The answer is A, emotionally neglecting. What country was once ruled by shoguns? The answer is B, Japan. Why is the narrator undertaking this tedious project? The answer is A, to defeat their writer's block. Why would someone go to this company? The answer is D. They have been taken to jail. In the Buffy episode Superstar, which character, played by Danny Strong, takes over Sunnydale with the use of magic spell? The answer is C. Jonathan. What year was the IFAB formed? The answer is C. 1886. What may be the reason for the concern of the girl's survival? The answer is B. They meant to get someone else with the axe. Where was the narrator recently? The answer is A. A courtroom. After a forest fire, which type of organisms will begin secondary succession? The answer is D. Wildflowers. What may be the reason why Kathleen wanted to stay at the bar? The answer is D. So the underage person would feel left out. A synergist that makes the insertion site more stable is called a what? The answer is B. Fixator. Calculator, how would you do this? The answer is A. Can be used to prepare music. How old was Princess Victoria when she agreed to marry the prince? The answer is D. 14. Compost piles have many parts, such as leaves, moisture, vegetables, and microorganisms. Which part of a compost pile breaks down materials and adds nutrients to the soil? The answer is D. Microorganisms. What former Today Show personality played a neighbor on the TV sitcom The Hogan Family? The answer is B. Willard Scott. What event is celebrated on the Christian holiday called Pentecost? The answer is A. Descent of the Holy Spirit upon the apostles. How many hours are there in a week? The answer is C. 168. How many guest rooms does the Sheraton have? The answer is D. 207. In the chemical periodic table, how many chemical elements are included in the group referred to as the noble gases? The answer is C. 6. What may have happened to this person? The answer is C. Their camera had malfunctioned. What does the narrator think of flip-flop applesauce? The answer is D. They post good information. What is the reason for the office being empty on a Saturday night? The answer is B. The office closes at night. How many rubles does Ivanov owe to Zinaida Lebedev? The answer is C. 9,000. What historic event is being discussed here? The answer is A, the sinking of a famous ship. What is the smallest unit of a chemical element called? The answer is C, atom. How many different PS3s can one user access? The answer is D, 2. What wind speed will the torch flame still stay lit in mph? The answer is D, 37. In the 1960s Batman TV series, who is not a guest villain? The answer is D, the squeegee guy. What year was Smith born? The answer is A, 1994. What big switch did the narrator make? The answer is A, they went to Formula. In what year did Montini become the Archbishop of the Cathedral of Milan? The answer is D, 1955. Make serving snack tray. How would you do this? The answer is A, fill ice cube tray with rocks. How many kilometers was the route in Australia? The answer is D, 16. What may you be eating if you come over to my house?